artist. Whiteboard. Pulling this out, and oh, lime green, blue, and here's our little screen. Here's our pen. Here is our whiteboard, and on the side here, I found these little shapes. Got a circle, a heart, and a flower. They fit right there. Now with this whiteboard, you can write the letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh my goodness. They come out in different colors. Boys, girls, I think this is wonderful because you don't have to keep on using paper. All you do is move this across like this, and it erases everything you have written, erases it, and you can start again writing or practicing the letters of the alphabet. A, and you should be able to go faster. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Woo! And then I erase my letters. We can also try the numbers. Let's try writing the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I can erase it. This time I'm going to write the numbers a little bit larger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is an excellent whiteboard to practice your letters and your numbers. Let's try some drawings, okay? I would like to draw a house. I'm going to right here draw a square. A square has 4 equal sides. And if you're drawing also with me, try to, just do the best you can. There's a square. Then I'm going to draw a triangle above it. And our house needs a door. I'm going to draw a rectangle, which are 2 lines that are the same length. Ooh, this is a little bit more difficult going down like this. There's our rectangular door. And then I can draw some little squares here. Do you know what that's for? The windows. Yes. Boys and girls, I'm going to try to draw a Christmas tree. Now I want you to leave this top part blank because we are going to be drawing a star on top of the Christmas tree. Let's start right about here. Just try your best. You have a white piece of paper because you do not have this toy, but maybe you can have your parents get you this toy. It's not very expensive. Excellent tool for practicing how to draw, how to write letters of the alphabet, and your numbers. So let's keep on drawing here. I'm not the best drawer in the world, but it sure is fun. Keep on coming out. As you can see, we keep on going through different colors, huh? Our tree is getting wider and wider on the sides. One more. Let's see. I'm going to go straight across here, and then I'm going to draw the tree stump there. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. It's pretty colorful with that, isn't it? Let's try our star on the top. Okay, we're going to start like this. Cross. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's not looking too much like a star, is it, boys and girls? But boys and girls, just do the best you can. We have a bright yellow star up there on top of our Christmas tree. Now, up here, I'm going to get the circle shape, and look. Remember, it makes this shape on it. These are our Christmas bulbs on it. Just touch on there lightly. Look at that, boys and girls. And there is the Christmas tree. I'm going to try a submarine now, boys and girls. I'm going to draw like this. Kind of. And put a square up here on the top. I'm going to use one of these little tools over here, the circle. Watch, boys and girls. Those little portholes, the submarine. See, you can do a lot of things. You can make your drawing, your outline of it, and then fill it in with one of these shapes over here. Boys and girls, have fun with your whiteboard. This is an educational toy. There's a lot of things you can do on this thing. A lot of practicing and creating new things without wasting paper. We will see you the next time unboxing educational toys.